The producers and distributors of Tech AV technical training aids welcome you to another program in the air conditioning and refrigeration series. In this program, we shall be dealing with the topic of tube work as applicable to typical commercial refrigeration systems. During the program, you will learn how to identify types of tubing, the technique of handling and cutting tubing, how to create a flared union, how to create a brazed joint, and some practical installation techniques. The tasks demonstrated in this program are considered to be essential skills required by anyone involved in refrigeration repair or service of commercial units. We begin by learning to identify refrigeration tubing, also called ACR tubing. The most commonly encountered tubing is copper. Copper tubing, manufactured for refrigeration purposes, has been very carefully made to prevent any contamination inside. For this reason, you will see that all tubing is capped or sealed to prevent any dirt or moisture from entering. ACR tubing is created in two forms, namely soft copper, which is always packaged in rolled form, and hard-drawn tubing, always packaged as straight lengths. Soft-drawn tubing is easily worked or shaped where necessary, and we'll talk more on this later. Hard-drawn tubing cannot be shaped and is used where long runs of straight tubing need to be installed. ACR tubing is available in several sizes. The size of tubing is given as the outside diameter. ACR tubing is created in imperial sizing using the inch system. The most common sizes range from 1/4 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch. Actual sizes used on any system will be dictated by the manufacturer of a particular unit. One other tube type is the capillary tube, used commonly with pressure control devices. Capillary tubing is also used to create the expansion device on small packaged units. Often referred to as cap tube, this tubing is a very small bore size, most commonly of around 0.9 millimeters in internal diameter. After the break, we shall demonstrate handling and cutting techniques.